Saving time and making our lives easier are the main tasks of the modern gadgets, especially when it comes to cooking. Almost all of them are made to solve one particular task. I mean, they're highly specific, otherwise, each of the tasks would be done incredibly good. Along with making food preparation easier and faster, these gadgets are appealing to the eyes and would complete the design of any modern kitchen. Number 5. Nespresso Coffee Machine. The humble coffee machine is one of the few categories of smart kitchen products where we're almost spoiled for choice, but this is undoubtedly the best. Nespresso is already a household name in home barista bots, and the connected edition of the machine uses the same capsule system, making it easy to find refills. The Prodigio does what you'd want from a smart coffee maker, lets you make cups remotely via your phone or tablet, iOS and Android, schedule brewing and reorder capsules. Number 4. Smarter Fridge Cam. This might be a slightly controversial choice, because spending £100 on a wireless camera for your fridge seems a bit ridiculous, but when you compare it with the cost of a proper smart fridge, often in the thousands, it seems much more reasonable. Fridge Cam is designed to let you look in your fridge while you're out. So you can check if you need to buy butter, for instance, and how much wine's left. It also claims to be able to recognize food items and expiry dates, sending notifications when you need to finish up the bacon. Number 3. Cook For Me Connect Cooker. Like the coffee machine, this is a good product with useful smart features added, which means even if you rarely use the app, you won't regret getting one. Cook For Me is basically a fancy pressure cooker, preparing meals for up to 6 people and keeping them warm until you're ready. It comes with recipes on the machine, and you can send more directly to your cooker from the iOS Android app. Number 2. Drop Connected Scale. Although no one really needs their kitchen scales to connect to the internet, the way the drop scale does it makes cooking more fun. Your iPhone or iPad becomes the screen. It's not on Android yet, showing step-by-step visual recipes and helping you measure the right amounts. If you want to scale the recipe up or down, or it turns out you've run out of something, Drop can handily adjust the other ingredients for you and suggest alternatives. Number 1. Nest Protect. The Nest Protect is an all-round well-designed product. It looks considerably better on your ceiling than most yellowing smoke boxes, acts as a nightlight for your hallway when you pass under it, and has a beautifully simple app featuring the soothing line "Everything is okay," assuming it's not on fire, obviously. Nest Protect uses voice alarms and phone alerts to let you know if there's a problem, including low battery as well as smoke and carbon monoxide. You can turn the alarm off from your phone, handy when you've burnt dinner and don't feel like getting on a chair, and if you have several, it'll tell you where the issue is. Nest products are also some of the best for working with other smart home ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.